This is 12,765 miles on a XL1200T, T standing for touring, with upgraded mirrors, a lot of Willie G style upgraded mirrors, LED headlights, upgraded pedals, pegs from pegs to pedals. Got a Vance and Hines. It looks like a big radius, full exhaust, belt-driven final drive. You have the saddlebags, 2-up seat, the sissy bar with a backrest. These are chrome finish. 1200 or cc or 75 cubic inch V-twin Evolution motor. You have the derby cover and the shifter peg changed to a Willie G style, and the engine guard with highway pegs and a little different style on the wheels as well. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you come on by for a test ride today. It's the only way you're going to know exactly what's going on. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on where you would go with this 1200T from 2014.